Are you looking to make money with affiliate marketing on Facebook? What if I told you you can make daily $100 on Facebook with only 15 minutes of time? I know, it sounds too good to be true, but it's possible. Problem is, most of the people spend a lot of time on Facebook without seeing any result. In this video, I'll show you how to optimize your personal profile so that you get unlimited leads for free. Plus, I'll also share you how to get people coming to your profile so that the money comes to you. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into how to make money on Facebook today. All I ask is, if you find this video useful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. All right, so first step to start your affiliate marketing on Facebook, first of all, is you have to optimize your personal profile. I know a lot of people wants to keep their business separate from their personal, but think of this way, as if you're starting a business. First thing you do is you let everybody who you know in your network know what type of business you're in, so that they can refer, or if they come across someone who might need your business, they can, forward your name to them. So same thing applies when you're on Facebook. So when you're on Facebook, you have Facebook friends, you will have other people coming and checking out your profile. I'm going to show you in step 2 how to do that, right? So you want to set your profile to optimize it, to set it as where people come in, you can actually capture their email, or they can click on the link you have for your affiliate commission. So the first thing is you need to change the Facebook cover page. If you look at mine, I have get leads and sales without spending money on ads. I'm targeting business owners. Who wouldn't want it? Spending money on the ad spend is a lot of concern for people, right? What if they can get free? So I can show them how, right? And if they say, oh, I'm interested in it, they click on it and it goes to here. It's a link here, which is redirected to what product I'm selling it. So I want you to do the same thing. Think about the niche or the product or whatever you want to sell it. How to make cover page for the Facebook, and think about the headlines that you want to. Headlines should have the hook or curiosity to it. Now with the help of AI, you can come up with a couple of headlines pretty quickly. So this is the first step you need to do. The second is also your Facebook picture. That should also change. And then you are into here where it says intro, right? This is where also you should have your call to action, right? So business owner get unlimited leads from the social profile. How? They click on this and they get the lead. So if they click on this, it redirects to my sales page, right? So that's what you need to do to set up your profile. So set up your profile with a new cover page. You can go on Fiverr and get it for really cheap price, and have this call to action. Go to the AI chat GPT, it's free, and come up with the headlines. And then the second one is your Facebook picture. The third one is the intro. You have it, right? And that's about it. So you have that, get it done. And once you have this profile set up nicely, when somebody comes in and it's going to check my profile, right? They click on it. This is the first thing they see. They click on this. It redirects to the sales page that for the product I'm selling it right now. It looks at my intro. It again goes to the same sales page. It goes right. So you need to also set it up in a similar way, so that when people come in, check out your profile, they actually know what it is, and some people will actually click on the link and get it. And believe it or not, I've been able to get people check on my profile and click the link even without talking to me. And now we'll move to step 2 to show you how to get people come and check out your profile and get this free traffic towards your profile. Next step is how to get people come to your profile, right? How to have people come and check out your profile and click on these links that you have it on your personal profile. So next thing you do is, you probably heard of Facebook groups, and most of us are involved in or joined or have their own Facebook group, right? So the thing is, you need to find a Facebook group that's in your niche, that you're promoting it. So for example, let's say you're on health and wellness niche, healthy. You have these 2 groups, right? You look at this, there are about 16,000 members, and they post 8 posts per week, right? And you have another one which is 10,000 and 4 posts each. So any of these 2, you click to join, and most of them, if I click on, let's see when I do, click on it. Groups are basically, there are a couple of different types of groups that I should let you know. So you have the first group is where people will have their opportunity. They will present their opportunity in the Facebook post, have people message them, right? In this case, this person is actually looking for a business partner to partner up with the health and wellness field. So it's looking for a partnership, and they have all these people who are interested in it, right? So that's one group. Now the problem with that type of group is where they don't have any screening. So a lot of people come in, and most of them might be scams, right? The quality of people who are in that group are not that great, right? The other group, let's see if they have any screening. No, they don't either. So probably you've been to a Facebook group that will have the screening, have a couple of questionnaires to question it to you right before they let you join in their group. So with those groups, at least the administrator or the person who's running the group, it's looking for good quality people who are most likely will not join the group and spam the link. So those are really great group. The downside is you cannot post your link on that, or you'll be booted out of those group, right? So that's another one. The third one is you can have your own Facebook group, but if you're starting it, I suggest you just join other Facebook groups which are more popular and have a lot of engagement, and try to join the group which will give you will have the questionnaire to answer before joining in. So they will have screening questionnaire. So let's find some, let's look at here. So let's see, right, and see how the group is, right? So, and what I'm looking for is this group have a lot of posts which is related to helping other people, not just spamming the links, or people coming in and just spamming with their own opportunity. Hey, join this for this, or I've just another example is I've just joined this group or this program, and here's my link. Nothing like that. Something that will help. So let's look at something that will help people in terms of the health and men health and fitness. Think of what sort of help that people are, men in particular, are looking for the helpful, and are they typing that in the group. And let's look at this group. So here you have it. So this channel is mainly focused on men's health tips, men's fitness tips, right? So the gist of it, or foundational group, is where they will help people who are looking for questionnaires. So this is good. So you join in and they ask you this question. See, that's what I was talking about. So they will ask you all these screening questions to screen the people, and if you join this group, you're going to find a lot more helpful towards your goal. So next thing you do is, once your your request is and you join the group, then what you do is you're looking for engagement. So the engagement means that, for example, if somebody's looking for in terms of what are the tips you will provide, you tell them the tips on healthness, or somebody's looking for a solution to their problem, you tell them comment on their post and write a solution to their problem. You don't jump in and do the spam with your links. No. So what you want to do is you want to provide the value means you're always there to help people, whatever question they have with their Facebook post, and they're posting any questionnaires in there. So once you do that, you start providing profile value to their answer, or start answering, giving solution to their problem. What they will do is most likely they will click right here, which is your Facebook profile picture. Once they click that, they will be redirected to your personal profile, right? So once they're redirected to personal profile, that's where you are already optimized. So that's where I have all of this, which will redirect them to whatever I'm doing in terms of either promoting that product or collecting their emails, or if you want to start a Facebook group, start a Facebook group. So now this is what you need to do in order for people to have coming to your profile. Remember, once you're joined with someone else group who's running it, you need to play by their rules, right? And most of the good Facebook groups with good quality people, that's what you're looking for, it would not allow you to spam their links. Once in a while they might have any competition or anything to go on, or you can collaborate with the person who's running a Facebook, but that's down the road. First thing first, what you're going to do is start the engagement in the group, where you're answering your solution, and providing value to the Facebook members. Now you're probably thinking that, man, that is a lot of work. Yes, it is a lot of work, but now with all this AI that we have, everybody heard of Chat GPT, right? You can just go to, So you got to go to chat, OpenAI, right? And just type in the question and you'll get answer right there, right? So, you know, any new things, like you can just put write me Facebook post on providing on benefits for, right, healthy body for men. So that's what you have it, right? So you can just now go to ChatGPT, you know, whip up some of the question and you know, edit a little bit, make sure it's as if it's your own, make it your own, and post it or type in the answer. So it's not that hard nowadays, especially with the ChatGPT and all the other AIs we have it to help you with the social post, with the engagement and all that, right? So believe me guys, if you keep on doing this every day for 15 to 20 minutes, at the first it's going to start look like if you're spending a lot of time without any result, but you're going to see the result. That's what I've gone through. I'm seeing the result where people coming in and, you know, all of a sudden now they're clicking in on my links on my profile and boom, you know, I make a sale. Or, you know, if you're engaging a lot in the group, you might have people reaching out to you through the Facebook Messenger. So people who will need something, and if you have that, they will reach out to you. And that's the best way of doing the affiliate marketing on Facebook, rather than spamming your links. And we all know that Facebook doesn't like putting out the affiliate links, right? And when you join a good quality group, getting booted out of that group because you're spamming links. So don't do that. Try these two methods and you'll see the result that I'm getting it. In conclusion, leveraging Facebook for affiliate marketing can be a great source to drive more sales and build relationship with potential customers. Joining the relevant Facebook group in your niche and also optimizing your Facebook profile, you can establish yourself as a go-to person in your niche. Now, if you want to take things a little bit further, make sure to check out my next video on how to add friends automatically on Facebook. This will up your game in this competitive field. Link is somewhere on this screen. Check the link and I'll see you in that video.